Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Data Simple. I just want to make a quick video on data warehousing. What is data warehousing, right? Data warehousing is a methodology wherein we store all the data in a normalized fashion, app, which would be used for us to analyze the data later on in any company. So any big company has a big data warehouse so that they can do analysis on how are they performing and what is the past history trends and things like that. Okay. So this is the quick slide which tells you about like the process involved in doing the data warehousing, right? As you can see on the left side, you have all the source systems. For example, CRM is a customer relationship management, billing source system, any billing system like POS, etc. And then ERP is the enterprise resource platform, and the flat files and other kind of data sources, right? We get all the data, we collect all the data, and we use the methodology called ETL, which is extract, transform, and load, to modify this data, to transform this data so that it can be stored in a data warehouse, right? And later that data can be used to do the analysis or reporting or do a data mining. Like we can just find what's going on in particular department and why the sales is slow. So this each piece is like a big topic. For example, ETL has like a lot of methodologies, tools involved, and data warehousing, the way we store the data itself has like a lot of tools and techniques, and the way we report the data, like for data mining we use data science. So each one is a very big topic, but I just want to give you a brief introduction. Please share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment. I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.